So after a long day of work, I have come home and found a very long flat package at my house. Wonder what long and flat means in Latin. I think there's a word for it. Long flat object in Latin. It escapes me what the word could be. But anyway, I think it's time we unbox this thing the only way how. So let's remove Gladius and let's find out what's inside here. It's just cut. I do not care right now. Yes, this is not a sharp Gladius. So I think it should be quite apparent. Alright, let's try this knot. Let's get this on camera. Let's do the knot on the end here. Just cut through that, see what's happening. Don't cringe at me for my sword handling, I know what I'm doing. Trust me, I'm a professional. It's like those things where people say on YouTube, oh my god, you're damaging your table doing that. It's like, yeah, it's my table, I can do whatever. Actually, I shouldn't swear in these videos, so let's keep it family friendly here. Don't cut toward yourself. Oh no. Don't cut toward yourself with your blunt Gladius. Alright, so we've got the outer layering out of the way. Let's... damn it, there's so much stuff in the way. Okay. Pulling back all the layers. Thing. Yep. Let's just drop that on the ground. Alright, let's try it on this side instead. This is some damn good tape. There we go. God. It's okay, guys. My hand is on the sword. I will clean it afterwards. It's fine. So yeah, I think that was the most Roman way of doing it. Alright. Would you look at that? Oh damn. That is a sword. Would you look at this thing? It's not much longer. Not much longer at all. You can already tell that it is still... Oh, I know it's the wrong type for the migration area. This is a imitation cavalry Spatha. Very Roman looking. With the same type of like hilt. Or what's the word in Latin again? Capulum, I think, something like that. Jesus. I love how they ship these. They ship them outside of the scabbard. Yeah. Look at that. That is awesome. That is so damn cool. It's like the same sword, except this time, this one will be taken care of. This one, what happens when you give 15-year-olds swords and you have no idea what you're doing. Probably edit this part out because the pommel is just giving me nothing but trouble right now. Oh god. Yeah, I'm definitely editing all this out. So yeah, after that little edit, same basic principle of design, very similar to Scabbard to Gladius, but the blade is just so much longer. That is awesome. That is so cool. We'll do a full proper video on this thing soon, but just holding it. This thing is mad. Alrighty. Well, I think that may be the only video of someone unboxing a Spatha with a Gladius, so I've done one thing right.